Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the best natural supplements for eye care. You know, we only get one pair of eyes in this life, and they're precious. If you want to keep your vision sharp and your eyes healthy, stay tuned. We'll be your guides on this journey to optimal eye health, covering everything from powerful antioxidants to essential vitamins and minerals. Before we jump in, a friendly reminder that this video is for informational purposes only and doesn't constitute medical advice. Got a health concern? You know the drill. Always reach out to your doctor. They're your best resource for personalized guidance. Now let's get this show on the road and explore the world of eye-boosting supplements. First up, we've got vitamin A, a real MVP in the eye health department. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in vision by helping convert light that hits your eyes into electrical signals. These signals then travel to the brain, allowing you to see the world around you. Not only that, but vitamin A is also a key player in keeping your cornea healthy. The cornea is that transparent dome that covers the front of your eye, acting as a protective shield. Think of it as your eye's own personal bodyguard. Without enough vitamin A, you might experience dry eyes, night blindness, or even an increased risk of eye infections. So make sure you're getting enough of this vital nutrient. Next, let's talk about omega-3 fatty acids, the superheroes of hydration for your eyes. You know that feeling of dry, gritty eyes? Omega-3s can help combat that by supporting tear production. Tears are essential for keeping your eyes lubricated and comfortable. Omega-3s also have anti-inflammatory properties, which can be beneficial for those dealing with dry eye disease. Inflammation can disrupt the normal tear film, leading to that unpleasant dryness. So if you're looking to keep your eyes moist and comfortable, make sure you're getting enough omega-3s in your diet or through supplements. Chapter 3. Lutein and zeaxanthin blue light blockers. Now let's talk about lutein and zeaxanthin, the dynamic duo that acts as natural sunglasses for your eyes. These powerful antioxidants are like little bodyguards, protecting your eyes from harmful blue light emitted from digital devices and the sun. Lutein and zeaxanthin are concentrated in the macula, the central part of your retina responsible for sharp central vision. They act like internal sunglasses, filtering out those harmful blue light rays. By doing so, they help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, a leading cause of vision loss. So, if you're spending a lot of time staring at screens, these antioxidants are your new best friends. Chapter 4. Vitamin C, Cataract Crusher. Moving on to vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect your eyes from damage. Think of vitamin C as a superhero that fights off those pesky free radicals that can wreak havoc on your cells. One of the key benefits of vitamin C for eye health is its role in preventing cataracts. Cataracts occur when the lens of your eye becomes cloudy, leading to blurry vision. Vitamin C helps keep the lens clear and healthy, reducing the risk of cataract formation. So, load up on those citrus fruits and other vitamin C-rich foods to keep your vision crystal clear. Chapter 5. Zinc, the Eye Health Multitasker. Last but not least, let's give a round of applause to zinc, a mineral that plays a vital role in overall eye health. Zinc acts like a trusty sidekick, helping vitamin A do its job effectively. It supports the health of the retina, the light-sensitive layer at the back of your eye, and helps transport vitamin A from the liver to the eyes. Zinc also has antioxidant properties, protecting your eyes from oxidative stress. So make sure you're getting enough zinc to keep those peepers in tip-top shape. That's it for today's video on the best natural supplements for eye care. Remember, taking care of your eyes is crucial for maintaining good vision and overall well-being. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Take care of your eyes and see you in the next video.